Hello, I hope you're having a great day. My anemones are finally getting tall, like taller. Like, look at those. Those are pretty good stem lengths for anemones. I mean, from what I've seen so far. So I harvested these. I'm going to get them in the cooler. And then I also got about 20 peonies today. I'm so excited about that. And I'm just going to go around the field and see what else I can find. It looks like I have a snapdragon ready. And I have quite a few with buds on them. Yay! That's my first peony out of my peony field. I know I was supposed to come and deadhead them, but I didn't deadhead them all. And that's the first one I ever got. And it does smell good. It's not quite as good as the farm ones, but it smells good. Alright, I put my Veronicastrum in the ground. It starts at that little white tag up there and then goes to about here. I have one more tray of it, I think, at home that's still growing, so I'll be able to fill this in. And then my Scabiosa, some of it looks good, but some of it maybe didn't do so well, so I might just go up and replace some of it with this. This is supposed to be a perennial and it is not, so I'm working on the perennial field. We'll see how it goes. I'm back in the grower light room. It's supposed to be like 88 degrees today, and so I did some weeding at home, and now I'm going to plant some successions of stock. And I had amaranth, but I have a tray of it, and I'm not sure I'm gonna need more. So if I mess up and I should have had more, then I'm okay with that. Last year it lasted me all the way until winter. But it got really big, so I'm not gonna do my amaranth. I might, and if I'm end up fine with amaranth, I'm gonna mark that off as only needing 2 successions, and then I'm going to do some snapdragons. I probably won't video it. I was just coming on to let you know. I'll give you an update when I'm done, and I think that's about all I'm gonna do on this holiday.